let's make some viral Dubai chocolates. I've never had chocolate like this. Does it look good? Wow. Oh my god.
Don't forget to
Thumb this video. If you can't fly to Dubai to get the OG chocolate bars, here's how you can make them.
I've been watching people enjoying this viral pistachio chocolate bar. Filling is katafi. Toast it with a few pats of butter until it gets nice and brown. We are adding pistachio cream and tahini and mix until you get this. Use dark chocolate or semi-sweet if that's your favorite. Pour in your melted chocolate. Be sure to shake off the excess. Chill to let it set. Spoon in your pistachio katafi filling. Add the final layer of chocolate. Fridge for about an hour. Detach from the molds and voila.
Welcome back to our kitchen. Today I am the filling, the pistachio filling, and Zen is the chocolate. We are so dressed up and excited for today's video because all these Dubai chocolate recipes have been going viral and you know we're gonna try it out.
This is the Dubai chocolate.
If we can't make it right, we'll dress right. First things first, let's melt our chocolate. Taking you guys to the other side. I've set up a double boiler, just a bowl and a pot with hot water, and I'm gonna melt my chocolate chips. You can use chocolate bar or chocolate chips or whatever you wish. I'm gonna let that heat up and melt my chocolate. Check out my baby, guys. Look how big I am now. Not long to go. Ooh, our chocolate is melted and smooth. I've got my chocolate mold here. I'm going to coat these with a thin layer of chocolate. How am I gonna do that? Yeah, I only have one apron. I need it more than you just because my protruding belly gets in the way every time I cook, so.
Oh, it looks so professional now. Professional.
I feel like a contestant in MasterChef. The challenge is chocolate. The secret ingredient is chocolate, okay guys? It's because my mold has like 6. Just scooping it in. I feel like Willy Wonka. I'm just gonna shift it around. This is hard. How do I get the sides? I need the sides, right? The key is to create a nice border so that when it's set, it just looks like the chocolate bar from the outside so you can't see the filling on the inside. Yeah, that's the challenge.
Why can't they make these molds not brown?
I know, I'm having a hard time differentiate the chocolate versus the mold. Like,
I feel like it makes it harder. Everything's just
brown. Why did I wear a long sleeve today? This is not doing anything. I feel like I'm just making more of a mess.
And then
I'm just trying to even it out. Okay.
like do that so it's like even.
Maybe I should like splatter on.
No, that's gonna fly everywhere. No.
Is that evening it out? Let's just chill. Literally put it in the fridge to chill and then we'll start on our filling. Katafi. Katafi. How do I pronounce this, guys? Special filling. It's like a shredded, I don't even know what it is. Shredded phyllo. It's just the stringy goodness that goes on the inside of our chocolates. Let's get chopping. How small am I going?
Bite size, not chokeable.
It reminds me of Dragon's beard.
This is how it's supposed to look like. As thin as this,
but ours never got that thin. Next, we're gonna get toasting. Before I do that, I just wanna present to you my new frying pan. This is the hex-clad one. Gordon Ramsay sent me this. Well, maybe not him himself, but this is what he uses to cook, and they actually sent me this. So I feel like I'm actually making an impact in the cooking world, guys.
We are.
I made it. I got gifted a pan. That is a milestone. Can I get a like, please? Can I get a subscribe? In my new pansy flan. In my new fancy flan. In my new fancy pan, I'm going to pop some butter.
Oh wow, it looks different already.
This pan feels like it's gonna make our cooking taste a lot better.
Okay, Gordon Ramsay. Okay.
Butter's melted, in goes our shredded katafi. Woo! Great pan, but that was not great aim. We're gonna toast this until it's a nice golden brown color. It's definitely browning now, guys. I think we are almost there. Very crispy. In goes the pistachio cream.
Whoa.
Next is tahini, and then I'll give it a good mix. Ooh. Trying to like get every last drop of this. After combining all our ingredients, I realized our pistachio cream wasn't as green as the one that they used. Our chocolate molds have set. Now it's time to fill. Oh, it doesn't really fit that much.
Oh, our molds are a little.
Or a little.
Little.
They're little. With the magic of editing, this will be done in no time. Once all the molds have been filled, we're going to top it off with the final layer of chocolate. Just cover up any mistakes. That took a while to fill up, but we got there. Now all we need to do is pop it back in the fridge and then we can demold and try. A few hours has passed. Our chocolate looks like it has set. I am so nervous to demold this. Pray for me, I've got 6 tries, okay? I'm gonna just stretch the molds, separate them. They're all kind of, oh! We did it! But I just realized we forgot to decorate it.
Oh, we got 2 bars.
We got 2 bars. Okay. Oh, okay. Our chocolate bars look good. They look kind of plain, and I really don't know how to like zhuzh them up. Just like popping on some pistachio bits.
It's like bouncing off this thing.
The effort was there, but had I actually decorated the mold before, that would have been better. Anyways, I think it's more about the taste, right? Let's get our third stooge in. Yeah, we're the 3 stooges. Grab one because they're melting quick in this heat. Cheers. What?
It's crazy.
Is this what a Dubai chocolate tastes like? This is my first time trying one.
I mean, we didn't fly to Dubai, so we technically don't know how this compares to the actual one. But oh my god, it actually tastes really good.
Wow. Kind of shooketh.
What?
Shooketh by this.
I've never had chocolate like this, guys. Never.
It's got such a like an interesting punchy texture.
Yeah, the texture, it's not like a coconut sort of like inside. I mean, obviously not because it's pistachio, but you know, it's like, it's crunchy.
Texturized, creamy, sweet.
But I will say it melts really easily. But that was really good. It is a labor of love. I feel like if you're gonna make this, make a few so you can give away, because seriously, this is too good not to share. We need to fly to Dubai. Now we know why these went viral, because there are double thumbs up, baby. You'd have to try this, unless you can just, you know, line up in Dubai and get one. This is a mochi version we need to try.
We're turning the Dubai chocolate into Dubai mochi. First, we're going to start with the easy chocolate mochi. Buying glutinous rice flour, cocoa powder, sugar, and milk. We're going to microwave this for 2 to 3 minutes until it's completely cooked. And now we knead it until it's nice and stretchy. To make the filling, get your cutter EP pastry, and we're going to roughly chop it up. Add some butter to your pan, add your pastry in, and toast until golden brown. They should be nice and crunchy and toasted. I'm going to combine some tahini with some pistachio spread. Adding your pastry, scoop up the filling, and we're going to let this chill. Slide in your chocolate mochi, and wrap your pistachio kanafe inside. And we're going to roll it in some cocoa powder.
For the mochi, I think I want to do like smaller balls, because I like my mochi like more bite-sized. The ones she made were a bit gigantic. These are going to go in the fridge to chill. I'm low-key scared of making mochi because it never really turns out as amazing as I envision. But let's just hope I get this one right. I'm going to measure, guys. In goes 100 grams of glutinous rice flour. Next, I'm going to add in sugar. I'm actually using like a sugar substitute, but you go ahead and use the sugar your heart desires. And of course, we need some cocoa powder. That's pretty much to all the dry ingredients. Now I'm going to add 160 mils of milk. Give that a good mix. As I'm mixing, I can feel like, not a contraction, I'm not going to give birth now, but I feel like a Braxton Hicks, which is like a practice contraction. Boy, you stay in there. Okay, you gotta go take
tag
over.
team?
Yeah. Woo. That belly shake.
I mean, she uses a whisk.
That probably makes sense. But we're almost there.
It's fine. We've committed to the
whisk.
spoon.
Once Zen is done mixing, we're going to cling wrap this, poke some holes in the top, and microwave it. Be honest, guys, does this look right to you? I cooked it for all up about 3 minutes. I'm scared of overcooking it, so I think I'm just going to try to knead it first. I'm going to use gloves because I don't want it to get stuck under my nails and look like poop. It's still a little bit hot, but I can try to stretch this. I think I need it to cool down a bit more. Do they make heat-resistant gloves for cooking? Because I feel like I need it. Get it? I need it. What do you think? Does it look good? Looks like a lump of coal. Getting there, getting there. I think we need to tag team this. My hand's actually sweaty, so excuse
I'm actually dying. Wow, it's moist
so
in here.
sweaty.
Gosh. Ooh.
You go. Ooh. Okay, I think we're getting there with the consistency.
Yeah.
I'm so excited. Zen's pretty much done all the work for me. It's looking smooth. How did you not sweat?
I soaked up all the moisture on my hands.
Oh, it feels good.
It's
Okay.
good, right? So grab like, I think grab a bowl.
Wow, wrapping this is not that easy. Our first mochi ball. Here, have the first mochi ball.
Oh, this one's big.
I was just gonna say, we were aiming to make smaller chocolate mochis, but they ended up big. Go big or go home, I guess.
How did they go from this to this? Like, it's like tripled in size.
All right, family.
I'm gonna put your one in front.
Her arms are shorter. Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh my god, it's actually really good.
You gotta eat the inside. You definitely gotta eat the inside. The texture is really interesting. It's like contrasting. You bite into it, it's a little bit chewy and bouncy, and then you've got that crunch and sweetness on the inside.
I actually kind of dig this. Actually, our mochi is pretty good too.
I think it's the best mochi we've made. Lila's basically just eating the mochi. Your mouth, our mouth. Wow.
Am I kissable? Kissable lips?
I think this is a hit. I can't tell if she's unimpressed or she's just trying to
She's processing.
Are you processing the flavor? Do you like it? Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
It's a hit. It's a hit. Confirmed hit. Confirmed hit.
Sorry, missed your high five.
Leave me hanging. A little bit messy to eat, but the flavor is there, guys. I am actually really surprised at how well this combination of mochi and then that crunchy inside goes.
I actually really like this.
It's just so different and unique, and I just feel like, wow, it works, right? I think the size we ended up making was a good size because you need a decent amount of filling, surprisingly, because the filling is sweet, but it's not overly sweet, and the mochi on the outside, it's just
Balances it
it's
somehow.
more plain, right? It's
Yeah,
not
yeah,
like
yeah.
super sweet. So I feel like you need a good chunk of filling in it. So don't go too small with the size. But yeah, I think this is like a double chocolatey thumbs up.
Double ghost chocolate ups. Lala, are you doing double thumbs?
Oh, she's flashing it up twice, so that's 2 thumbs. I mean, that's like 5 at this
Like
point.
pulsating thumbs.
I'm so glad we nailed the mochi. We are mochi queens now. Let's open up a mochi cafe.
Again with the cafes.
You guys do the synchronized pounding.
We did that last time, remember?
You know a flavor is good when people start making cookie versions. How good do those cookies look? I've already chilled my little frozen fillings. Now we're gonna make the cookie dough. I'm gonna mix the dry ingredients first. So 185 grams of flour, a tablespoon of corn flour. Next is 100 grams of white sugar and 110 grams of brown sugar. Next is a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. I'm just gonna quickly combine that and then I'll put in my wet ingredients. For the wet ingredients, I'm using 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 115 grams of butter. I'm using unsalted, 1 egg, plus an egg yolk. And then we'll just mix it all together and combine it. Mixing, mixing, mixing. Do you want to help, Mummy? Can you pour all these nuts and chocolate into the dough?
Very nice.
Next, I'm going to attempt to wrap the filling in my dough.
Wrap it up.
Try to cover it. This is gonna be a chunky cookie.
Experience from the mochi
Wow,
already.
yeah, I think that mochi wrapping definitely helped with this cookie recipe. I feel like I'm making a dumpling.
Kinda.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's like a xiaolongbao. That actually looks so good.
It smells really good, guys. These are ready to go in the oven to cook for about 10 to 12 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius or until golden brown. Our cookies smell amazing. I'm gonna do a drizzle of chocolate on top and then sprinkle on some pistachios.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, girl, yes.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, beautiful. Here goes nothing. Ooh, you see the filling? It smells really good.
Cheers.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh, I think I like this as my favorite.
Same.
Wow. I mean, nothing can really beat like a nice warm cookie, but the inside of this, it gives you that extra crunch, but then the outside, it's like a little bit chewy, doughy. It's got that warm goodness.
I love this. You know what? I love it because it's a chewy cookie. I love chewy cookies.
Yep.
Wow.
Wow.
Get that away from me.
That filling in everything.
Oh my god.
This is my opinion, but I think this is better than the Dubai chocolate bar. Dubai chocolate cookies, guys. Get on it.
Actually, I have a ranking in my head already.
What's your ranking?
Cookie, mochi, and then chocolate bar.
I was gonna say it's the same.
Chocolate bar to me is second.
Nah, mochi.
The mochi one was pretty
I
good.
love the mochi one. It's because me and Tina are mochi people.
I like mochi. That was too bitter for me.
Oh, I like that it wasn't sweet.
that
Asian in me.
compliment. It's
Yeah.
like, it's nice because it's not too sweet.
Yeah.
This is one brain cell right here. This is independent brain cell.
Alf's on his own circuit, so Zed and I are quite connected. But I think we all agree that this cookie recipe is hands down the best one so far. All the rest got double thumbs up. This one gets like 3 thumbs up
Yeah.
if we could. I mean, like my hands, it's like so dirty.
3? Thumbs
3.
up.
Eh.
3. We're unanimous on this.
I would be impressed, like hands down, if you made this at a party and I walked in, you offered me that, I would fall in love with you. That's how good it is.
Gosh. I'm so happy. Maybe it's just we ate so much sugary stuff today.
We're on a sugar high, guys.
I'm just excited to be here today, guys.
That's all the recipes we're trying today. If you guys want to see more, you know we got you. There's a whole playlist. Click the video on screen and please subscribe. We didn't do our thumb routine.
Wait, Alf is wearing brown too. Alf is a chocolate
You're
too.
a chocolate too. Did you wear that on purpose?
Oh my
No.
god. So we're the chocolate, she's the pistachio filling.
Yeah, well, you face the camera then.
Don't forget to
Thumb this video.
Slade.
Cheese. We put
Ate.
cheese in
Ate that.
cheesy.
That was my one. Oh, that was my one.
What's a bully?
I was saving it for one last bite.
That was the perfect one.
I watched it disappear in front of my eyes.